Doing the airplane. Doing the airplane. Hey, Chloe. Hey. Doing the airplane. Sorry, Chloe. Bushies. Doing the air. Never mind then. Never mind. Hostile beast. JK, she's a little princess. Sorry, Chloe. She's giving me the Luigi death stare. The Luigi death stare. Dunk. Dunk. Oh, hey, on an unrelated note, Chloe would like to say hi. Would you like to say hi? She said hi. On an unrelated note, let's see how Homer's doing. Hey, homie. How you doing? Homer, what you doing? Aw. Hey, homie. Hey, homie. Hey, ah! Hey, hey, hey. Hey, homie. Oh, oh, oh. That scared me. Ooh, it's a chin rub, chin rub. Oh, yeah. And yes, he's laying on our mom's computer. He likes going on cold places, just like he's under the fan. You okay, homie? Hey, bye, bye. Hey, oh, hoi. Hey, Homer. Oh, Billy rubs. And on another unrelated note, the tumor in his mouth is growing bigger, so maybe a few episodes later, he won't be in any videos. Whoops. Hey, buddy. Hi. Oh. Hey, buddy, buddy, buddy. Okay, first of all, sorry for the blank screen for a while. I made this beautiful masterpiece. It's not really beautiful. Sorry for dark screen. Wait. Okay, so I made Snivy, Emolga, and Whimsicott, which is probably my worst one. And H made Charjabug, Mustache and Beard Pikachu, Boing, yoink, yoink,